Alright, what's up, y'all? It's your boy J Cool back with another video. Today's video is gonna be a simple video. It's gonna be basically how to clean your cloth car seats for free. Right here, as you can see, I got the cloth seats. They're black. I got a couple grease stains, I believe, at the bottom, a little white stain or whatever. And I'm gonna take that right up. All you need is basically household products. Need some dish soap. Preferably one that has a scent to it, so it smells good. Some hot water in a bowl, and a towel. Let's get started. You're gonna take your hot water, and you're gonna take the dish soap. Put a little bit in there, not too much. I prefer dish soap because it really works on, grease. So if you do have a grease stain in it, some people just got regular dirt stains, but this help with that too. And you're gonna dap the end of this, rub it in there, like so. Get a good amount. Squeeze it out. I want this type of consistency, like little bubbles and stuff like that on it. And you can see the grease stains or dirt stains or whatever. I'm gonna take the wet end, apply it, scrub. You should get this like white looking foamy on the seat. Disappear. Basically gonna rub it in real good. Some up here too. Just keep going over it so it's saturated with soap water. Now once it's saturated, you're gonna take the dry end, just rub it out. Try to soak up all the soap water as much as possible. And if it is a little damp afterwards, which is probably going to be, you're just gonna let it air dry, turn on your AC, or leave your doors open. Let it dry overnight. And eventually it'll come out. Alright, now this is the finished product. It is still a little damp, so I got the AC going. But yep, soap, water, or hot water, and a towel. That's all you really need.